Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to open a new drugstore in UAE. First of all, I would like to explain what is drugstore. Drugstore is the license to import and store or export medicine and medical equipments from outside the country to outside the country. So the local trade we can use pharmacy, but if you want to import or if you want to export any medicine or medical equipments, you need drugstore license in UAE. For drugstore, there are certain challenges to complete the licensing process. We need to get the approval from different license body. So here I would like to explain. My name is Shija Thomas. I am from Foreign Plus Health Professional and Facility Registration Firm. We do the registration to get the approval for a drugstore in UAE, anywhere in UAE. Anywhere in UAE, the drugstore procedure is almost same. And the approvals are almost same, but the authorities are different. So we facilitate everything to run a drugstore in UAE. So if you want to start a new drugstore, we will facilitate the location, the area where you want, and we will arrange the buildings or space where you want the location, and we will furnish as per the requirement of the ministry, and we will facilitate the equipments as is required from the ministry. And we have taken all the approval from the government body. We will ourselves find a drugstore in charge who is valid licensed one and will activate the license in your facility, and we will hand out to you ready to operate mode. So if you would like to start a drugstore, if you do not know, no worry, you can contact Foreign Plus. We do A to C to open a drugstore, and we will hand out to you with fully functioning drugstore. And we do the health facility registration fine. If any kind of health facility like clinic, hospital, pharmacies, any drug import permit, anything related to that licensing process, any work, any approval, you can contact Foreign Plus. Thank you very much.